How do I run command prompt as an administrator? When we press CTRL+Escape, type CMD and press Enter, we get a black box that is under local user account aka loser mode. In loser mode, as the name implies, we may fail at many privileged tasks, for example, start or stop service. We are basically restricted from doing any administrator tasks. When trying to delete through NetUser username/delete, it fails. When trying to add a user in this mode through NetUser username/add, it fails too. To run CMD as administrator, press CTRL+Escape, type CMD, hold Ctrl+Shift and press Enter. User account control will prompt if you want to run as administrator to ensure it is you and not some rogue background services trying to run it. Click Yes. A command prompt will appear which shows administrator in the prompt. Deleting a user can be done by using the netUse_delete command. Similarly, you can add a new user by using the netUser_add command. After adding the user, you may need to set the password by typing netUser username * command. Type the new password you want to set twice. You will need to type the same password twice obviously. This serves as a verification process to ensure you know what you are typing. There is no alternative to set two passwords for one user account. You can add the users you want to give local administrators rights by using Localgroup administrators username/add command. In administrator command prompt, the Runas is a useful tool to run single-session user emulation. It can also serve as a local account password verification process. Type run as /user, username followed by CMD. Then press Enter. Then type the password of the user account in question. If the password is correct, a new CMD prompt session appears for running tasks using the emulated account. If it fails, you may develop trust issues. While the run as command works, it only runs as basic user trust level, meaning you cannot do administrator tasks even if the user has local admin rights. Otherwise, it would defeat the purpose of user account control, which requires user intervention for approving admin tasks. The netview command allows current run as user to test access to network resources under that account. It is a good method to test access before handing the device to the user. In comparison, stealthily allowing user access in backend while blaming the user for typing the wrong password is frowned upon. The run as /user, username/network only, followed by CMD, allows you to emulate a network account that is not available on the local system. The system will not verify the password against a local account which may not be present, and it can be useful for verifying network access without creating a local user account just to do that. You can now use netview/resource hostname or IP to verify you are able to see it. Close or type exit and press Enter to exit each of the user's session.